So hello guys, here is my video on a rock paper scissors game that is basically a short project which is developed on Python. So I'm going to run this program. Hope you guys will enjoy my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel after watching this video. So here you can see just a flash of my code. I'm going to run my code. So for that I'll right click it and run. Here it is. So here you can see my program has just ended because I have played the 10 round of this game. So basically I won 5 game and my computer won 3 game. So basically the result is that I have won the game series because I have won 2 more game than my computer. So here is my code and here is the output. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.